Still having trouble finding a job? There are so many work-from-home jobs. In this video, I'm going to show you the best work-from-home jobs that are perfect for people who want to make money and have time for themselves and their families. So, keep watching till the end. But before we start, make sure to check the links in the description below to make more than $1,000 each and every day, so make sure you don't miss out on that. Subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. Save time and money with these best work-from-home jobs. You'll be more productive, earn more money, and still get to spend time with your family. Some of the best work-from-home jobs are writer, editor, content marketing assistant, social media manager, and blogger. If you're looking for work-from-home jobs, these are the best opportunities for you. Here is a list of work-at-home jobs that will help you find good home-based career opportunities that allow you to build a new income source. 1. Amazon jobs. Amazon hires for work-from-home positions. Administrative support, customer service, data entry, writing and content management, marketing, sales management, design, technical support, etc. Typically, the payout rate is $15 to $20 per hour depending on the job. If you give superior service and establish a good reputation, Amazon may hire you permanently. Amazon also sometimes hire people for testing their product quality. 2. TikTok jobs. With more than 1 billion people visiting each month, TikTok is quickly becoming one of the most popular social media platforms available today. Various opportunities at TikTok are now open. They mostly engage in work-from-home occupations. The average hourly rate is around $15. 4. YouTube jobs. YouTube is the most popular video platform online. The monthly users are billions. Many businesses use YouTube to advertise and showcase their products to the public. People skilled in video editing are in high demand in a variety of companies. The rate of salary that they get is excellent. 5. Marvel jobs. Marvel is another well-known media company that offers a wide variety of media, television series, movies, games, comics, characters, and so on, through online video streaming services. They employ work-from-home individuals to do a wide variety of tasks. 6. Microsoft jobs. The name Microsoft is synonymous with the world of technology. They often use remote workers in a variety of capacities. Although it is difficult to get hired at Microsoft on a regular basis, there is a possibility of working from home on a remote basis. Microsoft is best known as a technology giant, but the corporation also offers a wide variety of non-technical positions, including those in customer service, sales, marketing, data management, and administration. There are a plethora of work-from-home opportunities available. 7. Proofreading jobs. One of the simplest methods to earn a good income is to proofread. A proofreader's primary job function is to ensure that the text is free of typos and other problems in spelling and grammar. These roles are versatile and simple to perform. This proofreading task may be scheduled at your convenience. If you have the necessary proofreading abilities, you may earn up to $45,000 per year proofreading from home. 8. Sell ebooks. Making money off of selling ebooks is a fantastic idea. The best-selling authors may earn $10,000 plus monthly from their ebook sales. For this reason, making and selling ebooks is a fantastic possibility. If you're interested in starting selling ebooks but you don't know how to get started, how to produce content, how to design, or how to market and sell your products, don't worry. It is so easy now by using of Sitebook Pro app. Sitebook Pro is a first-to-market cloud-based app that allows you to build a completely automated book affiliate website in 60 seconds. The site is loaded with 90,000 plus ebooks, physical books, and audiobooks under 130 plus categories. Click the below link to learn more about Sitebook Pro. 9. Launch an online courses. Online courses are popular. Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare are booming right now. In a changing economy, millions of individuals want to reskill and gain new expertise. Online education is a $350 billion sector, and Udemy alone has 55 million members. According to facts and figures, the worldwide e-learning industry will exceed $1 trillion in 5 years. Teachable creators earn $456.7 million annually. Now you may establish a profitable e-learning platform. Flex enables you to develop an e-learning website in minutes. It comes with ready-made courses so you don't need to build any. 700 plus done-for-you courses in 100 hot niche with lifetime hosting to start selling and making money immediately. It just takes 3 clicks. Click the below link to learn more about Flex. 10. Social media jobs. If you already spend a significant amount of time each day on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, then you may be a good fit for working as a virtual social media editor or moderator for large e-commerce organizations or corporations. These positions mostly include engaging with content on social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Everything your mobile device can do for you. These positions pay quite well. Click the below link to find high-paid social media jobs. 11. Virtual assistant jobs. Virtual assistants are increasingly used by corporations and wealthy individuals to carry out administrative tasks. It includes everything from data input and word processing to accounting and social media management. For the sake of efficiency, they've begun to employ remote workers to assist with some of their company's tasks. You'll be doing your job remotely, from the comfort of your own home. It's a terrific job with an excellent salary. Click the below link to find high-paid virtual assistant jobs. 12. Emails jobs. Do you like to read and send emails? Then, you have a good opportunity to make a good figure just by reading and sending emails to people in your spare time. Some people earn $1,000 per day by email. Click the below link to find high-paid emails jobs. 13. Apps and website testing jobs. One aspect of the apps and web testing role is providing feedback on various sites to help them evolve and grow. Site usability may greatly benefit from your feedback. A single website test might take as long as 15 to 20 minutes. Website testing jobs often pay between $10 and $30 per hour. Click the below link to find high-paying legitimate website testing jobs. 14. Taking surveys online. One of the most common work-from-home opportunities is to fill out internet surveys. A mobile device or computer will suffice for this task. You'll need to do things like fill out forms, write reviews, watch movies, play games, test applications, and more. It's important to complete a variety of online questionnaires. Each survey you do might get you anything from $3 to $20. Click the below link to find high-paying legitimate surveys jobs. 15. Writing jobs. Writing job is another work-from-home job. You may earn up to $10,000 per month. Writing jobs are good for folks who desire full-time employment. This writing job requires no experience. Click the below link to find high-paying legitimate writing jobs. Now, if you like to make big money as a core and long-term income source, make sure to check the links in the description. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.